Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Medical Surgical Nursing 1 question paper. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year February 2021. This question paper is for second year BSc Nursing students. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. Before discussing this question paper, I like to tell our viewers as well as our subscribers that we have posted more question paper related series. You can watch our channel playlist BSc Nursing question papers. Also, you can watch our channel playlist for more nursing related videos. So let us see what questions they have given in this question paper. This question paper code is 337. This question paper is Medical Surgical Nursing 1 for second year BSc Nursing program. New scheme. The time allotted for this question paper is 3 hours and the total marks or maximum marks allotted is 75. Answer the following questions. So here you have 3 sessions. First is essay session which carries 30 marks. Short notes which carries 25 marks. And brief answers which carries 20 marks. So let's see what are all the questions they have given in essay. So in essay, the first question is 1A, that is define fracture, 2 marks. 1B, discuss the pathophysiology and clinical manifestations of fracture, 6 marks. 1C, prepare a nursing care plan for a patient with plaster cast application. This is for 7 marks. I repeat the questions. 1A, define fracture. 1B, discuss the pathophysiology and clinical manifestations of fracture. 1C, prepare a nursing care plan for a patient with plaster cast application. So, 2 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 15 marks. Second question also have 3 subdivisions, 2A, 2B and 2C. Let's see what they have asked in 2A. What are the etiological factors of pancreatitis? 3 marks. 2B, write the pathophysiology and diagnostic measures for acute pancreatitis, 7 marks. 2C, explain the surgical management of a patient suffering from chronic pancreatitis, 5 marks. 3 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 15 marks. I repeat the second question. 2A, what are the etiological factors of pancreatitis? 2B, write the pathophysiology and diagnostic measures for acute pancreatitis. 2C, explain the surgical management of a patient suffering from chronic pancreatitis. 3, third question, you have 2 subdivisions. 3A, explain the etiological factors and pathophysiology of bronchial asthma. 3B, explain the management of a client with status asthmaticus. So this question carries 5 plus 10 marks respectively, which is equal to 15 marks. I repeat the questions. 3A, explain the etiological factors and pathophysiology of bronchial asthma. This carries 5 marks. 3B, explain the management of client with status asthmaticus. This carries 10 marks. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15 marks. Next, write short notes on any 5 of the following. So here, from 4 to 10, the questions are for 5 marks. They will be giving 7 5 marks questions. Out of those 7 5 mark questions, you have to answer only 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25 marks. Fourth question, iron deficiency anemia. Fifth question, insulin therapy. Sixth question, liver abscess. Seventh question, prevention of HIV infection. Eighth question, cryptorchidism. Ninth question, Pathophysiology of Cushing syndrome. 10th question. Explain the stages of atherosclerosis. I repeat the short notes. 4th question. Iron deficiency anemia. 5th question. Insulin therapy. 6th question. Liver abscess. 7th question. Prevention of HIV infection. 8th question. Cryptorchidism. 9th question. Pathophysiology of Cushing syndrome. 10th question. Explain the stages of atherosclerosis. So here all these questions carries 5 marks. So out of 7, answer only 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25 marks. Next we will move on to brief answers. So here brief answers, they will be giving 10 questions, that is from 11 to 20. You don't have any choice for these questions. You have to answer all the brief answers. So each question carries 2 marks. So 10 into 2 is equal to 20 marks. So let's see what they have given in this question. 11th question. What is hypospadiosis? 12th question. Enumerate the types of amputation. 13th question. Enlist the uses of sitz bath. 14th question. Enumerate the role of circulatory nurse. 15th question. List the records maintained in intensive care unit. 16th question. Define orchitis. 17th question. Define what is gynecomastia. 18th question. Enumerate the ACG changes in hyperkalemia. 19th question. What are the clinical manifestations in nephrotic syndrome? 20th question. Enumerate Jones criteria used in diagnosis of rheumatic heart disease. It's Jones criteria. They have given the spelling wrongly. So here, 11th question. What is hypospadiosis? 12th question. Enumerate the types of amputation. 13th question. Enlist the uses of sitz bath. 14th question. Enumerate the role of circulatory nurse. 15th question. List the records maintained in intensive care unit. 16th question. Define orchitis. 17th question. Define gynecomastia. 18th question. Enumerate the ACG changes in hyperkalemia. 19th question. What are the clinical manifestations in nephrotic syndrome? 20th question. Enumerate Jones criteria used in diagnosis of RHD. RHD means rheumatic heart diseases. So each question carries 2 marks. So 10 into 2, 20 marks. So total is 75 marks. So if the viewers or subscribers, if they want a key for this question paper, kindly post it in comment section, so that in future we will be doing videos on question paper related key series. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. And if you want to watch more nursing related series videos, you can watch our channel playlist. Also, if you have any students who are studying intermediate, our channel also posts videos on botany, zoology, physics, chemistry. So you can watch those videos also. You can refer those videos to any students who are studying 10th and intermediate classes or plus 1, plus 2. Thank you friends. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel. Many of our viewers are viewing the channel without subscribing. A small motivation for us. If you are subscribing and watching the video, we will be very happy. So that in future we can post more and more videos like this. Thank you friends once again.